Hello, and welcome to week 3. Week 3, we are in a new unit. The unit is Unit 1 in our book, The Power of Goals. We will no longer be doing any work in our unit, Welcome Back Spring Semester. We are now finished with Welcome Back Spring Semester, and we are now starting in Unit 1, The Power of Goals. We are now in week 3, Exploring Careers. Day 1, Monday, February 22nd. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have 2 activities to do in Async. The first activity is in your textbook, page 3, parts A, B, and C. You are going to listen to an audio and listen to another audio. So A and B are for the first audio and C is for the second audio. You will answer in your textbook. Then you will take a picture and post here in the comment section. There is a video here that will show you how to do it from your phone. It is much easier to take a picture from your phone and then load it into Schoology. Let's watch the video. This video is explaining how to add a photo of your work into the comment section in Schoology. I understand that it says October, but don't worry about the dates. Just worry about the steps on how to post a picture. Remember, they are showing you for Android users, but of course, iPhone users, it's the same. You would click discussion instead of comments, and you click the plus sign to go to your library, find the picture. Okay, if you have any questions with how to upload your picture, please text me. All right, and that's it for your first async assignment. Your second async assignment is practicing main idea. We will be going over main idea in our sync today. So you're going to play a game. All right. Always please make sure to read everything before you do the assignment. A lot of people are getting confused with the assignments. It is important to read all of the directions before you start. Yes, I give you directions, but it's important to read also to understand what I say. All right, so you click here and you're going to play this game and you're finding the main idea. So you read this paragraph and you will choose the main idea and you click check answer. So hopefully you'll get it correct. All right, and you do this 9 times because there are 9 short paragraphs. And that's it for async. It is Monday, so that means we have Zoom class together. So let's see what we have to do together as a class in sync. So I hope everyone has gotten their book. So what we will be doing today, we will do a check-in and look at our book and discuss main idea. Okay, so if you did not get your book, you need to let me know. I will be checking for that. So we will look at our book and do some things in our book and discuss main idea. And that's it for today. Good luck.